Are you funny?
What are you doing?
What you doing? Yeah. Oh, boom! You went down. Oh, you went down again. There he goes. Oh. He can't stand on this water bed. He thinks it's funny.
You silly boy.
Are you being silly? Oh!
Is he laughing?
Oh, he's watching TV now.
You're a ham. You're a ham.
Oh, he's getting too close. You see that light right to your right? There's a light switch right on the wall, right to your right. Flip it on. Oh, there. That's much better.
Coulter.
Okay, I wanted to get up again.
What are you doing? What are you doing? There you go. Oh. There you go. Coulter. What are you doing?
What are you doing? There he goes again. Did you fall down? He thinks that's funny.
You gonna give me a kiss? No.
Oh, he's gonna come back and get you.
What is that face?
I know,
oh my goodness.
I
What
can't
was
tell
that?
if he's gonna cry or
What
he's
was
trying to
that?
laugh.
What was that?
It's like he's trying.
What?
Give me 5. There you go. Give me 5. Give me 5. I'm gonna get you. It's like he's trying to tell a story.
Oh my goodness.
It's hard to stand on that waterbed, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh! He's coming after me. Are you gonna give me sugars too? You can give me sugars?
Give a kiss.
Give me a kiss? You give me
on
sugars?
camera.
Yes. We're gonna put this on Lindsay's Facebook. Okay.